Guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your image in Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change image in Midjourney, you just simply have to open your Midjourney application at first, and after that open this Midjourney bot. And now after opening the Midjourney bot, simply upload your image that you want to change into Midjourney. For example, I'm going to change this image into here. Now you just simply have to upload and copy the link of the image into your clipboard at first. Then after that, choose this message section into here and write down command imagine. And into this command section, first of all, paste the link of the image and then write down your editing commands after the image link. Then after that, tap to this send button. Then Midjourney will start to edit your image and create new images for you. This way you can easily change your images in Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.